This is a final video to fix your Fortnite voice chat problems. And if your mic is not working, you are in the right place, because today we will make it simple and clear. Are you tired of going to games and no one can hear you? Or your teammates complain that your voice does not come through? This happens because of settings conflicts, software glitches, or sometimes your device is not connecting properly, and most guides online are long, confusing, or full of steps that just do not make sense. On Rexist, we tested everything and found 4 proven methods that will fix this issue, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work even if your voice chat problem seems very critical. You should pause the video and try each method one by one, or take screenshots so you do not miss anything, but I am not going to show the steps yet. Just focus on trying each approach carefully and follow along with what you see on the screen, because these methods are designed to fix your mic quickly and reliably. Remember, do the steps exactly as shown. Follow the method step by step on the screen, and your Fortnite voice chat will start working perfectly again.